Hi, this is Bridget from the Hearing Clinic, and I'm going to be unboxing the Bernafon Alpha hearing aids. So what we have in the box is the instructions. This is for the Alpha Mini RITE with telecoil and the rechargeable version. Over here we have the hard case. Inside the hard case we have a cloth for cleaning. If a person is using batteries, they can be kept in this little rear recess. Here is a little tool. There's a magnet on one end, a little loop for removing wax, and in here we also have a little brush. This is for cleaning around the microphone ports. Occasionally the instruments will need to go back to the manufacturers for servicing and repairs, and this is the box that we will need to post the instruments in. There's a nice padded lid to help protect the instruments. This is a lint-free cloth and can be washed once a week. Over here we have some domes. We will show you how to attach these in a short while. When we look at the domes, we pay particular attention to the style of dome and the size. This is an open base dome, 8 mm. Here are two instruments. These are the chroma beige and silver. There's a range of colors, and we like to try and match hair tone colors. On the front we will see the serial numbers of the devices. This is the rechargeable version. This is the lithium-ion battery. The lithium-ion battery will last approximately 12 to 18 months and then will need replacing. We then close the lithium-ion battery and then mark whether it's the right or left instrument. These are the right-left markers. We're going to put a red one in here. This will then be programmed as the right hearing aid, red for right. We will now do the other side. Blue for left. These are the speaker wires. Again, we need to always pay attention to the length of the speaker wire. That's a size 2. If we have a taller ear, we may go for a size 3, or if we have a smaller ear, we may go for a size 1. The 85 refers to the strength of the loudspeaker at the end of the speaker wire. Again, blue for left and red for right. So I'm going to now assemble these onto the instruments. First we will do the right side. Inside each speaker box we will have a speaker wire and a retention grip. We occasionally need to add these to stop slippage from the ear. It's not always necessary to fit these. Here is the speaker wire. At the end of the speaker wire we will have a wax filter over here, and this end plugs in to the instrument. The right speaker wire is coded with red and will go into the right instrument. So we can see that is the blue one, so we will not attach these two together. That is the red for right, so these will go together. I will now open the left one for the left instrument. We will look at placing the wax filters in the next video. Finally, we have here a soft pouch. This is very useful for keeping in a handbag or a golf bag or a gym bag. So if the instruments do have to come out, they can be stored safely. Right, in the next video, we're going to look at attaching and removing a dome and replacing a speaker wire.